daring Ibex, the amazing rock climbing goat.
Admire the ibex's breathtaking climbing skills in its natural habitat. Explore the stunning, serene world of the ibex in their alpine habitat. Discover the ibex's elegant yet formidable presence in their rocky world. Witness the ibex's incredible adaptability with its diverse diet in the wild. See how ibexes form strong social bonds atop mountain peaks. Experience the adorable journey of new ibex life in vibrant spring meadows. Explore how ibexes maintain the balance of their mountain ecosystems. Discover the ibex's rich cultural symbolism across history and folklore.